Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we are going to do this newspaper article as you can see here on the screen. So we'll read the news, German news in detail and we find out some good vocabulary. Auf die Besetzung folgt die Cholera. Nordosten Syrians. This is the news about North Syria. There is a disease cholera widespread. This disease is being widespread in the North Syria. Auf die Besetzung folgt die Cholera. Okay, and the cholera is spreading every day very rapidly. So this news is of 21st September 2022. Hilfsorganisationen warnen vor einer epidemic. Help organizations. There are certain organizations that helps people during the calamity. So warnen plus 4. They warn against epidemic. They are saying that this is epidemic. Warnen plus 4. Okay, this is fixed preposition. Dative. Im Norden Syriens häufen sich Cholera verdächtigt Fälle. In North Syria, in Northern Syrians, häufen means very high, very rapidly, very fast growing cholera Verdachtsfälle, very deadly cases. Okay, the cases are coming very deadly in North Syria. Eine Ursache dafür ist Wassermangel. Wassermangel means lack of water. Okay, there is a lack of water, shortage of water. Okay, Ursache means reason. The one reason is shortage of water. Und das liegt auch an der türkischen Besetzung der Region. Türkische Besetzung means the Turkey has captured this area. This area has been captured by Turkey. Okay, and this area is suffering from, now the people are suffering from disease cholera due to the shortage of water, drinking water shortage. Sie weinen, schreien, liegen, völlig erschöpft auf Plastik liegen. Sie means the children, basically the people of Syria. They are crying, they are whining, crying, schreien. They are very heavy cry. They are in a very bad situation. Liegen völlig. They are lying completely. Völlig, completely erschöpft, tired. Means they are completely erschöpft. Deadly tired. Auf Plastik liegen. On the plastic sheets. They are lying over there and they are just crying because they are having cholera disease. They are suffering from this disease. Children, adults, they are all lying over there and they are asking for help. They are schreien, weinen, weep, schreien, they are crying. Kinder mit cholera symptom in the station clinic von Hasaka. Kinder, children with cholera symptoms. These are the children with cholera symptoms in the state clinic, in the city clinic von Hasaka. Hasaka is the actual place which is highly affected area, Hasaka. In Syria, in North Syria, there is a place Hasaka, and this region is highly affected, okay, with cholera disease. 30 failure. 30 failure means cases. 30 cases haben die Ärzte hier schon bestätigt. Doctor have confirmed. Bestätigen means confirm. It's perfect tense. The doctor has confirmed so far 30 cases of cholera. Täglich werden es mehr. Every day it is increasing. Werden es mehr. Okay, it will be increasing. Täglich means daily. Daily these cases are increasing. So we have seen the word like warnen plus 4 and then Ursache, reason, Mangel means shortage, so Wassermangel, and then erschöpft means tired. So these are the vocabulary you can note down that we have seen here. And täglich, täglich you already know, daily, and failure means cases. Täglich, daily. So these are the words, these are difficult words you can note down. Warnen plus 4, to warn against any disease. Next page, it's the same news, okay. Medikament nicht für alle. Medicines are not for all. Not for all people. Kinder und Ältere sind besonders gefährdet. They are in danger. Children and old people are in danger. Children and adults, old people are in danger. Wird Cholera nicht schnell behandelt. Kann die Krankheit tödlich werden. Wird. Now look at this structure. If it's a situation, Conditional sentence. If cholera cannot be treated, cannot be treated quickly, Schnell, it can be deadly. Totally means deadly. This disease, Krankheit disease. So this disease can be totally deadly if it cannot be treated on time. Okay. In the clinic, ration the medicament our nur noch. In the clinic, ration sufficient. The medicines are still sufficient in the clinic, city clinic. Our nur noch für jeden zweiten Arbeitsstunde. For every second patient. Patients are coming every day, but medicines are still sufficient in the city clinic. Ration. Willkommen leider. Wir können leider nicht alle helfen. We cannot help all. Leider, unfortunately. We cannot help all. Derzeit means currently, right now. Currently. Leider nur jedem zweiten. Every second person. We cannot help each and every individual. Okay, who's in this danger, who is suffering from cholera, we cannot help out. Sagt, who is saying this thing? The Arzt Shivan Mustafa. This is the doctor, and he is saying we cannot help everyone here. Auf dessen Station allein an diesem Tag 8 Patienten aufgenommen und auf die Intensivstation verlegt wurden. Okay, and this station, on this day particular, new patients have been taken up. Aufgenommen to take up. Take up, new patients are coming and they are taking up new patients, and the intensive station verlegt wurden. And this situation has become very intensive. Patients are coming and they are saying we cannot treat everyone. We cannot help everyone. Wenn uns internationale Organisationen nicht schnell helfen, dafür sorgen, dass wir in Hasaka wieder genug sauberes Wasser haben. If international organizations will not help us quickly, then we have to take care about the clean water. Sauberes clean water. Clean water. There is a shortage of clean water, and due to that, cholera is spreading. Okay, people are doing vomiting, diarrhea, because lack of shortage of sauberes Wasser, clean water. In Hasaka, Hasaka is a place, region. Wird es zu einer Katastrophe kommen, and there can be catastrophe. That is, situation can be very awful, very dangerous, catastrophe. So they need international help. They are asking for the help. Okay, in order to save these people, rescue these people from this disease cholera, which is in Hasaka region of North Syria, and this disease is spreading day after another day. New patients are coming every day, and there is a shortage of clean drinking water. So we have seen the words here. We'll see once again. Gefährdet means they are in danger. Gefährden is the verb. Totally deadly. This disease can be deadly. Ration sufficient. Medicines are sufficient. They are saying, and aufnehmen to take up. They are taking new patients. It's separable. Take new patients. And sauber. Sauber means clean. Sauber machen. We say sauber machen, to clean. But here sauberes Wasser. Katastrophe and Sorgen means to take care. To take care. So these are the words that we have seen. Now we'll move further. Yes. Look at this picture. Child is crying because he is suffering from cholera. He is asking for help. Really, he is very helpless. Die Eltern und die Großeltern, der kleinen Patienten wachsen am Bett in großer Sorge. The parents and the grandparents of the small children are in difficult situation. They are worried. Sorge. They are worrying about their grandchildren or children. Sie sind jetzt schon seit 4 Tagen hier. They are already here since 4 days. Sagt Wahab al-Ahmad. This person is saying parents, grandparents are worrying about their children, grandchildren, and they are here already for 4 days. Die Mutter zweier erkrankter Kinder. The mother of every second patient. Zweier erkrankter. Erkrankt means erkrankt, sick, erkrankt. So it's an adjective, erkrankter Kinder. Okay, this is genitive. The mother of every second sick children is saying this thing, that they are asking for help. Sie haben immer noch hohes Fieber, high fever. The children have high fever, Durchfall und Erbrechen. Durchfall, diarrhea and vomiting. Diarrhea and vomiting. Durchfall, Erbrechen, vomit, Durchfall, diarrhea. And they have high fever. Fever, Durchfall, and Erbrechen. These are all disease. So these are all Krankheit. So this is the situation in Syria. They are in difficult time. They are really facing very hard times nowadays because of the cholera. So you can please note down these difficult words. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.